understand my motivation. This is for your protection. You can say anything that you want to. I won't ever hold it against you. Until you need a correction. Baby, I told you I'd be there. No need for you to feel so scared. Baby, you know that I'll be there. Don't believe all the things that I told you. I can feel every little thing that you do. Guess I'm just Mr. Sensitive. Whistleblowing is an act of aggression, so he better run, cause I'm gonna teach him a lesson. Forgive the vulgar expression. Baby,